guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we fly all the way to United States of America. Okay, so I usually make butter at home, so I just got a random question: what do you do with the buttermilk? And then I just got an idea. Guys, this buttermilk, I should not be throwing it away, right? So that is why I decided to make this delicious. Look at how they look. By the way, guys, personally I'm not a person who really loves consuming pancakes, but the smell is just so inviting. Look at that. No, this is authentic pancakes. Whatever we make, I think that is crepes, because you see the feeling looks like a real cake. So come and let's go to the United States. Come. These are the ingredients that we need. Here we have all-purpose flour, and I'll list down the measurements on the description box down below. We have sugar. This is baking powder, 1 tablespoon. This is baking soda. Then here we have some milk, just a splash. And then for them to be buttermilk pancakes, we'll definitely need some buttermilk. Okay? So here we have the buttermilk. Okay, this is my first time using buttermilk. Most of the times I just throw it away. So I'm just going to add that. By the way, guys, comment down below and tell me, what is this? Is this whey? This liquid? Because this is buttermilk. And should I throw it away? Okay, so we're just going to mix everything together. Then I'll add in some milk. So this is our consistency. And I think we should not make it so light. Okay, it should be smooth, yes, but not so light. So our mixture is good. It's good to go. You see, it's so easy to make the dough. But anyway, let's go to the final part. So here we have some homemade butter. It's unsalted, by the way. Just let the butter melt. But guys, this is just homemade butter. So and since personally I'm not a person who is used to making pancakes that have either baking powder or baking soda, one difference I can see is that it's very airy. You can even see you can literally see the bubbles. Can you see the bubbles? Yeah. So started late. Oh my god. I'm just reducing the heat. And then I'm just going to let it cook for about maybe 3 seconds, whatever. But I'll be here to just check it so that you can flip. Yeah. This is just flipping. Oh, look at that. Yeah. It looks so good, right? Yeah, so I'm also going to let it cook. But the rest, I'll just cook them in 4s. That is my dream. Okay, we're just going to see the dream versus the reality. Look at that. Ooh. Looks so good. So oiling your pan is very important. So you can either use such a scoop or even a cup. I'm just praying that. Oh my god. I want to merge and I don't want that, so just going to let them cook and then we'll be back. Our first one is ready, but look at that, it's not so well cooked. So I'm just going to like return it back to the pan. That is why I prefer cooking thin ones, honestly. The first step is you put some butter. This one thing with these pancakes, they are very milky. So if you're a person who loves milk like me, these are the pancakes to go. So after that, you're just going to add in your butter, your pancake mixture. Yeah. Shape it and then you just let it cook on very low heat for about a minute, and then we'll be back. Minute, you're just going to like flip your pancake. Well, just let the other side cook for 1 minute and then we'll be back. So I just figured out a way to like cover my pancakes. Oh, that whatever is too hot. Yeah, but they have not burnt. But yeah, they are still cooking. So I'm wondering, do I see people cooking online seamlessly these American buttermilk pancakes? Are you guys always real, or are you guys never telling us like the pancakes might not even cook on the inside? Like, how do you guys do it? How do you guys do it? Because like, I'm not so pleased. I tell you, I'm just going to like cover them for some more minutes. Okay, I'm saying minutes because the heat is like this, extremely low. So allow me to like let them cook for 2 more minutes and then we'll be back. Then we cover it. So I'm just going to let it cook for 5 more minutes. Guys, this is the heat that I'm using, extremely low heat. Can you see? Yeah. So after the 5 minutes, I'm back. It almost got burnt, but can try and cut to see if it's well cooked. I think I just need a knife. But apparently I really love how they smell. Feeling like flavored pancakes. Guys, have you ever eaten flavored pancakes? I don't know why they are smelling like passion pancakes, you know? Something like that. Woo. Everything is too hot from this lid. The aluminum lid is too hot. Oh my god, it looks like a cake on the inside. So good. Guys, it looks like a real cake. It's not cooperating. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you on the next travel. Bye, guys.